What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Stuntfest vlog, man. I'm right down the street from the track. I forgot to do my little intro at the house, whatever. I was on the move, cause y'all know I told y'all in the other video the same day. This is actually the same day I broke the camshaft in Dolo. So I'm right down the street, literally about a mile down the road. I had to top the gas off, you know, put some ice in the cooler, all that. Gotta stay hydrated, man. Y'all see I'm not in meats. I didn't drive meats today because I didn't feel like fooling with that car, man. I really didn't. It's 90-some degrees today, and it's still vapor locked here and there, and I'm not trying to be pulling over, getting the fumes out, all that stuff, man, to get it crunked back up. I'm not trying to do all that. Not right now in the heat of the day, not in the heat of the night either. So I got to get that little issue situated, man. I mean, you can drive the car, not that I wouldn't make it there and back. It just, I don't want to be fooling with it. It's 90-some degrees today. It's super hot, so I had to be in the AC today. So that's why meat is not at Stuntfest. Other than that, I mean, if it wasn't vapor locking, I would have just toughed it out, man. The heat, and hey, cause I know people want to see the car. I would have just toughed it out, but it was vapor locking. I drove it yesterday. Actually, with the test, I drove it yesterday when it picked up the part and stuff for Dolo. It did great there. When a few miles from the house, it vapor locked. Cut off, had to get it straight, made it home. So that's the deal with that, man. But we down the road, so when I get in here, we're gonna start vlogging. We're gonna show y'all the cars and all that, so just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm in line. I want to get a better shot, but y'all see, let me see if I can hang it out. Good little line or whatever. Like I said, been supporting this event a long time, Stuntfest. I mean, I seen worse now, and I've been to every Stuntfest except one. It's only one I didn't make, but I had something going on. But I always try to support these guys. Meryl and MJ, man, shout out to them. They've been doing their thing a long time, man. Good set of dudes, whatever, the whole crew pretty much. So trying to get in here, then get my media pass and all that, then we're gonna get to it, man. We're gonna have a nice little vlog or whatever. I'm gonna catch some people on the vlog or whatever, see what they got going on, and you know, hope to meet some of y'all out here. So just stay tuned. All right, y'all see we out here at Stuntfest with my boy Meryl. Like I said, I've been supporting for a long time. Stuntfest, Stunt World, man. Y'all go check them out. Instagram, everybody pretty much know them anyway though. But y'all see they got a line. Crazy. What up, Meryl? What we got planned today?
About to be crazy. Stuntfest 2020.
Oh yeah, how many years been going on?
15 years.
15. I told them, look, I done been at every one, y'all, except one. I missed one. I done been at all the rest of them, and it's always, it just get bigger and bigger. So we're here at Silver Dollar Raceway or whatever, Reynolds, Georgia. I get some good footage, good action, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just hopped out right quick before I parked. Gotta check out MJ. Yeah, Camino. Yeah, it says, like a little pressure right there. Oh yeah, we got action already. But yeah, I had to come over here and check out MJ, y'all. Shit, Stunt World, man. Been rocking a long time. Bad boy right here, man. Bad machine. Going down already. It's it. It's it. Burning that good heat. Alright, so now I gotta go get my parking spot now, y'all. I ain't feel like walking all the way up here, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in. Finally got my parking spot or whatever, so we finna walk around, go catch some of the cars, see what's in here for y'all, catch some of the people, cause I know I'm gonna see some folks I ain't saw in a long time, so catch y'all in a minute.
Oh, this is fresh.
Appreciate it. Yeah, man, support y'all. Love meeting everybody that support. They got some cars in here today. Y'all.
How you doing today, sir? This is the Goblin. I'm out here at Stuntfest. I'm gonna probably whoop some ass today. You gonna see I got me a duck on the line right now. I'm just waiting for him to get some nuts and come on and tell me when he's ready to run. And it's gonna be going down. I told you I do this shit. I'm new to this. I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. You remember that, Justin? Like I tell you, I do this shit Goblin.
Alright, look, I was gonna walk all the way down there. I can't do it. Y'all. It track here. This track here, I think the longest track in Georgia. If I remember right, I think it's the longest track in Georgia. I ain't walking all the way down there. This track about a mile. I think it's a mile long. So y'all just, I'm gonna hang out up here. Then if stuff come through, we'll catch them like that. Then when they start racing, we're gonna catch a little bit of that too. And we definitely gonna catch. Y'all know we just had Chris. We just had Goblin on camera, so y'all know it's gonna go down. So we got MJ coming back up. I think he got a race today too. So we're gonna catch some dialogue for y'all, man. We're gonna catch some dialogue. So y'all just stay tuned in, man. I'm gonna hang out around here, see what we catch. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, we tuning back in. Bad Chevelle right here. Got the numbers on it, so you know what that means. It's going down. Got the numbers on it, you know what that means. It's going down. I love that 4-inch cowl hood too, man. I love cowl hood, 4-inch. I like all of them except the one on Big Meat. Yeah, that thing is nasty. Nasty right there. So hop back out, y'all. Have to catch some AC. It really clean too. We got to go down here and check out my boy Dick. Y'all gotta go check his cars out. He just dropped a new truck too, so we gotta go check him out. So we're gonna slide down there. I gotta make that walk. To check his deck out. So we're gonna go down there, check him out. We got an SS and a short bed truck. So we're gonna check him out. And I think they got some more stuff over there too. So we're gonna see what they got going on. And then we're gonna go back. Hopefully got the track hot then and ready to race. So y'all just stay tuned in. Catch y'all in a minute. Like Ed said, Chris, y'all know I like that. Y'all know I like that. Y'all know I like that right there. Yes, indeed. Round 2, y'all. Round 2. Hey, I've been meeting a couple of y'all out here too. I just got finished talking to one of y'all, man. Good guy, man, police officer, whatever. I'm starting getting some of y'all on camera and all that, so I appreciate everybody that come up and holler at me too. So, but yeah, let's check these out while we over. Slim.
man.
Hey, we been right. Go ahead.
Stuntfest, man, we out here, man. If y'all missed it, man. But if for y'all don't know, Squad Yard Atlanta, J Malcolm, we out here. We finna have some fun, man. So tune in. Hopefully y'all can make it. If not,
Hey,
catch you next time.
go ahead and drop where they can catch you at, cause y'all know Slim. If you don't know him, y'all, he can squat anything. Like he can get the stance right. So tell them where they can contact you at.
On Instagram, you can contact me, Squad Yard Atlanta Slim, or you can call me 678-570-1353.
I stand behind it too, y'all. We've been knowing each other about 10 years,
He's the
so
one that put me on the car scene.
most definitely, man. He from Cali, man. So yeah.
Hey man, it's always a pleasure, man.
Oh yeah, we'll see. Yeah. So y'all hit Slim up, man. I've been knowing Slim for a long time. Good people. Y'all know I ain't gonna put y'all on nobody that's on no BS or whatever. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm at the track. It's something. I'm already shopping, man. I'm shopping at the track. I'm finna order these fans. I'm about to order these fans, man, cause I don't know. I don't feel like riding up there tomorrow, so I'm gonna order them. They should probably get to the house Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm gonna go ahead and get some dual fans or whatever that move about 4,000 CFM or air. So definitely gonna have a peace of mind. But I think I'm gonna upgrade the alternator too, cause you know they're gonna draw more amps and stuff since I'm gonna run these dual fans with them. So I'm up here on that track. We waiting. They all in the staging lane, waiting to get it in or whatever. Chilling with my people right here, man, getting in. Y'all already know. So yo, the track finna go hot. I guess we're gonna get some of these Hellcats and all this stuff in the vlog for y'all. Show y'all some of that. Big races. Go check out my main channel. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so this staging lane slap full, man. Slap full. Oh, you straight. All the way forward, y'all. To the top, to the tip top. Get 30 some cars in the hard tie race. I think it said 30. 30 some, I think these are hard tie right here. Alright, y'all see my boy Flex down here in Corona. Got it posted up. So he ready to get on somebody. I mean, it says right there, side chick. So y'all see, it's still going down. Still going down, man. I just been chilling, or something must have happened. Got spilled in the lane or something, so I've been sitting in the car chilling or whatever. Cause yeah, everything sitting in the same spot where I left it when I went and got in the car. So I don't know. We're gonna see what's going on, man. I've been trying to put a little race footage in here for y'all and all that. So we're gonna catch some action. I think they finally finna move, so I got out the car at the right time. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Just stay tuned in. We're gonna see what we got going on. checking in. Back at the house from Stuntfest. It's late, but it went down, man. It went down. Saw some real nice stuff, man. Got to link up with my people and whatever. Got to meet some of y'all. Appreciate everybody that talked to me or whatever. Always good meeting y'all and all that good stuff. But that's it, man. I got the computer on. About to import this stuff so I can hop in the shower. And then I'm gonna lay it down cause I gotta go to Summit tomorrow. So yep, that's the plan. But yep, hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.